So if you're among those that have cryptocurrencies or buy cryptocurrencies and store in your Binance in this 21st century, trust me, you are losing a lot. Or if you're among those that stores money or that keeps money in the bank without using it, then you're wasting out your time, because the banks are actually using your money to trade and to make money. At the end of the year, you have nothing to go with. So, but right in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make close to $100 or $200 right from your Binance. I'm just going to show you how to make some profit with your crypto using Binance. So what you simply want to do is to come to your Binance, and when you come to Binance, you're going to see this that says Earn. So what you want to do is to click on that. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to see these two options. You're going to see the flexible option and you're going to see the lock option. So what you want to do here is, I'm going to explain how this actually works. So the flexible option allows you to stop your trade anytime you want to stop. So you can actually stop your investment anytime you invested. While the lock options, you are allowed to lock your fund the specific period of time before you'll be able to withdraw. So on the flexible option right here, let me take for example USDT. So I click on USDT right here, and you're going to see the amounts you're going to be earning. So this is the percentage. You're going to be earning 1.77% plus 1.5% profit. So let's take for example, you're going to save like 500 USDT. So I'm just going to enter, and then you're going to see the profit, your daily return. So you're going to be having like 24.32 USDT on a daily basis. So this is how this actually works, and it actually worth it. Now what you need to do now is to accept the terms and conditions right here by saying by ticking the I have read and agreed to the Binance Simple Earn service agreement. And then when you click on that, you're going to click on confirm, and when you confirm it, it's going to lock and you'll be earning on a daily basis. Now you're going to see another options that says auto subscribe here. Now what the auto subscribe does is, when you turn on that icon, each fund you receive in your Binance wallet is going to be automatically transferred to this auto investment. So this is how this actually works, and you get to have your daily return regularly. All right, so let me talk about the lock feature here. So when you come to the lock feature here, when you click on the lock feature, what the lock feature do, let me use the USDT for example. So I'm just going to come here and search USDT. So I'm just going to come here and select USDT, and you can also see the amount, the percentage we're going to get. So the difference between the flexible and the lock is that, like I explained earlier, the flexible allows you to stop your investment anytime you want, but the lock investment allows you to lock your fund within a particular period of time, either from 60 days to 90 days or 150 days or 360 days, like 1 year and the rest. So that is just the difference. So I believe this video is helpful, guys. So if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also pin that notification bell icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you won't miss out. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.